Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina and you're watching the calendar of the latest financial events from InstaForexx. During the early half of the week, financial markets will keep close tabs on the statistical releases of the following countries. Thus, China will report its April industrial production figures on Tuesday. According to analysts, the indicator is to climb 8.9% on a yearly basis. In March, Chinese industrial output increased by 8.8% from the same period a year earlier, after posting an 8.6% rise in the previous month. Despite overall growth trend, economists were calling for a 9% increase in March. Month-over-month, China's industrial production improved by 0.81% after expanding by 0.61% in February. Germany's Center for European Economic Research is set to unveil its economic sentiment data. The index is seen to rise slightly to 43.3. A month earlier, economic sentiment in Germany deteriorated a bit and the corresponding index came in at 43.2. Nevertheless, it remains far above the average level of 24.6. A decline in the sentiment was due to the unrest in Ukraine. Moreover, it was affected by two positive estimates of the current economic situation. According to the most analysts, German economy is already growing at a very steady pace, so higher estimates are hardly possible. The indicator added 8.2 points in April, rising to 59.5. That's the highest level since July of 2011. Moreover, the US retail sales numbers will be out. Experts agree that the index has grown by 0.4% in April. Interestingly enough, March dynamics were more positive, with retail sales up by 1.1%, and that was the strongest growth since September of 2012. In the meantime, economists had expected an increase of 0.8%. Retail sales represent an important indicator of the U.S. economy, as 70% of its GDP accounts for consumer spending. It also indicates the level of consumer confidence. In addition, the following macroeconomic reports will be disclosed. On Monday, Australia will release its NAB business confidence data for April. On Tuesday, Australia's 2014 budget release is ahead. Eurozone will report its ZEW economic sentiment data. And on Wednesday, New Zealand will publish its RBNZ financial stability report and retail sales figures. The UK will provide a series of reports from the labour market, as well as the Bank of England. Governor Mark Carney will give his speech, and the country's central bank will deliver its inflation report. Meanwhile, the US will release its producer price index data. And this concludes the latest economic calendar prepared for you by our InstaForexx team. Thank you and goodbye.